Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cram Farms. So this is almost 24 hours of no power, not by choice, but by a ice storm that has come through. We are in Virginia, and so some parts of like North Carolina and things just got rain, but we got hit with the nice thick, probably close to an inch of ice piling up on everything. So you can see that our fences, our mobile fences got hit. Our, here we are with lanterns, and we've been playing games.
We're playing Hi-Ho Cheerio now.
We're gonna play Hi-Ho Cheerio now.
Let's go play it in 4.
Luckily now it's daytime, so with blinds open, we're able to have a little bit of light in here and not have to use battery powered things. But, so how do you take care of animals and everything during a big power outage like this? Well, when we get to our new property, we'll be on solar with generator backup. But here in the temporary house, we don't have that. So we made sure ahead of time. We filled up several water containers in the pasture with Buttercup and Millie. So they have several watering troughs already full. So we did that ahead of time. We also filled up some 5-gallon buckets and other buckets so that we can fill up the chickens' waters. And we save our vinegar, like the gallon vinegar bottles. We save those throughout the year. And so we have several of those filled up to help with the baby chicks and with the rabbits to fill their waters. So I feel like we have a good amount of water stored up for the animals. With power being out this long, we have moved a lot of our refrigerator things to the porch and to coolers and things. So outside on the porch in coolers is most of our refrigerator stuff, and we do have a generator that we're gonna be plugging into our deep freezes so that we can protect our meats that we have raised over the past year. So we will be plugging those up today. Not opening them is the biggest thing though. Keeping them closed will keep your food protected for a good amount of time. Plus they're in the basement where it's already not heated and cold. But we will be running the generator on those today. And for food preparation, you have to think about things like we have the grills that we can use. Might not be the most healthy eating time when you don't have power, but we do are able to make some sandwiches. We do have some canned items we can warm up. So that will pretty much be, oh, we did have some yogurt and fruit for breakfast. And then we're gonna cook lunch and probably dinner on the grill. And the other thing you have to think about is a heat source. So we have the small propane in the living room area here, and this is where everyone huddled up and slept last night. So blankets, you can see that we're wearing our hoodies and keeping ourselves warm inside. That's kind of what's been going on during our almost 24 hours of no power during the snowstorm. Actually, ice storm. I almost wish it was snow and not ice. The ice is a lot harder on your trees and power lines, and you can see our fences have really suffered from the ice more so than they did from the snow. So even once we start to thaw, which we should start warming up and thawing today, once that happens, we're still gonna have a lot of work though to get out there and fix fences. We have animals to feed. Life still goes on with or without power. So this is just a little snapshot of what our life looks like right now with no power and children and animals. Y'all stay safe out there. Thanks so much to our first responders and our linemen that are out working extra hard to get everyone's power back on so that everyone can be warm again really soon. We really appreciate you. Until next time, this is Cram Farms. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.